Alright, listen up, chefs-to-be. Welcome back to my kitchen. Today, we're going on a tasty trip to a French bistro. We're making the classic dishes that make you feel like you're sitting in a cute cafe in Paris. Get your aprons ready, because we're about to start a cooking adventure you won't forget. In the next few videos, I'm going to show you how to make 5 super-duper French bistro recipes. These are the kinds of foods that are simple but packed with flavor, and your friends and family will want more. And don't even think about taking shortcuts. We're aiming for perfect food here. Okay, let's get cooking. First, we're making a French bistro superstar French onion soup. This classic dish is a staple in French cuisine, known for its rich, deep flavors and comforting warmth. It's the perfect dish to start any meal or to enjoy on a chilly evening. This isn't your regular soup. It's a culinary masterpiece that combines simple ingredients to create something truly extraordinary. This is a special soup, full of flavors that will make you feel warm and happy. Imagine the aroma filling your kitchen, inviting everyone to gather around the table. The secret to amazing French onion soup is caramelized onions. These onions are cooked slowly to bring out their natural sweetness, creating a deep, rich flavor base for the soup. And I mean caramelized, not burned. Patience is key here. You want to cook them until they're a beautiful golden brown. Cook them slowly and gently until they're sweet and melt in your mouth. This process can take some time, but the result is worth every minute. Then we'll add some white wine and good beef broth. No broth cubes allowed. The wine adds a subtle acidity that balances the sweetness of the onions, while the beef broth provides a rich, savory depth. We want lots of flavor. Each ingredient plays a crucial role in building the soup's complex taste. Now, a little thyme, a bay leaf, and some salt and pepper. These herbs and spices enhance the soup's aroma and add layers of flavor. Let it simmer until all the flavors mix together. Time for the bread. This step allows the ingredients to meld into a harmonious blend. We need crusty French bread, sliced thick and toasted until it's golden. The bread will soak up the soup and add a delightful texture. Put that bread right on top of the soup, and then the cheese. This is where the magic happens. Lots of Gruyere cheese, melted until it's bubbly and brown. The cheese forms a delicious gooey crust that makes each bite irresistible. There you go. French onion soup fit for a king. Serve it hot and enjoy the symphony of flavors in every spoonful. Next, we're making a real French classic coq au vin. This dish is all about slow cooking and big flavors. We're starting with chicken, and not just any chicken. We want good chicken thighs and drumsticks with the bone in. That's where the flavor is. We'll cook the chicken until it's golden and crispy. This will make our dish taste even better. Next, we'll add some bacon, shallots, and mushrooms. We want all those flavors to mix with the chicken. Now some good red wine, not the cheap stuff. We're using good Burgundy wine. Then, some chicken broth, some herbs, and salt and pepper. Let it simmer slowly until the chicken is super tender. Serve it with crusty bread or mashed potatoes. Get ready for a taste of French heaven. Chapter 3. Ratatouille, a vegetable symphony. Listen up, chefs. Today we're diving into the heart of French cuisine with a dish that's as much a feast for the eyes as it is for the palate. Just because we're making French food doesn't mean we're skipping the veggies. In fact, vegetables are the stars of this show. Today, we're making ratatouille, a dish so colorful and tasty, even people who only eat meat will love it. It's a celebration of fresh produce, and each ingredient plays a crucial role. This isn't some mushy vegetable stew. Ratatouille is all about texture and flavor, with each vegetable maintaining its integrity. Ratatouille is all about letting each vegetable shine. We're using eggplant, zucchini, bell peppers, tomatoes, onions, garlic, everything. Each vegetable brings its own unique flavor and texture to the dish. First, we need to cut the veggies thin and even. This ensures they cook uniformly and look beautiful when layered. We want them to cook at the same speed. Consistency is key to achieving that perfect bite. Now, we'll cook the onions, garlic, and bell peppers until they're soft. This forms the flavorful base of our ratatouille. Then, we'll add the eggplant and zucchini. These vegetables add a hearty texture and soak up all the delicious flavors. Next, we'll add the tomatoes, some herbs, and salt and pepper. The tomatoes bring a touch of acidity, while the herbs add a fragrant aroma. Let it simmer until all the flavors mix together. This slow cooking process allows the vegetables to meld into a harmonious symphony of taste. Serve your ratatouille hot or cold, with other food or by itself. It's versatile and can complement a variety of dishes. It's even better the next day. The flavors deepen and meld together, making it a perfect dish to prepare in advance. Chapter 4. Croque Monsieur, the ultimate grilled cheese. Okay, chefs, it's sandwich time. But not just any sandwich, we're making the Croque Monsieur, a fancy French grilled cheese. It's got creamy sauce, ham and Gruyere cheese, all between two slices of crusty bread and toasted until it's golden. First, we need to make our special white sauce. Don't use the stuff from a jar. We're making it from scratch with butter, flour, milk and a little nutmeg. Next, we'll put ham, cheese and that yummy sauce on our bread. Lots of cheese. Now we'll grill our sandwiches until they're golden and crispy, with melty cheese inside. Serve it with fries or a salad. Get ready for a yummy treat. Chapter 5. Crème Brûlée, the art of the crack. Today we're diving into the world of this classic French dessert that has captured the hearts of many. It's a perfect blend of creamy custard and a crispy caramelized sugar top. Finally, we're making crème brûlée. This dessert is not only fancy and delicious, but it's also a showstopper at any dinner party. The magic of crème brûlée lies in that satisfying cracking sound when you break the sugary top. It's a sensory delight that combines taste, texture, and sound. First, we need to make our custard. This is the heart of the dessert, and it needs to be smooth and rich. This is a special smooth vanilla custard. We're using heavy cream, which gives it that luxurious texture. We'll also need egg yolks, sugar, and a vanilla bean. The vanilla bean adds a depth of flavor that's simply irresistible. We'll heat it gently until the sugar melts and the custard gets thick. This step requires patience, but it's worth it. Now, we'll strain our custard to make it super smooth. Straining removes any lumps and ensures a silky texture. Pour the custard into little dishes known as ramekins and bake them in a water bath. The water bath helps the custard cook evenly and prevents it from cracking. This makes sure the custard cooks evenly. The gentle heat from the water bath is key to achieving that perfect texture. Once they're cold, it's time for the fun part, burning the sugar. This is where the dessert gets its signature crack. Sprinkle sugar on top of each custard and use a torch to melt it until it's brown and bubbly. The caramelization process is what creates that delightful crunch. Let the sugar get hard and then crack, the moment you've been waiting for. There you go! Crème brûlée that looks like it came from a fancy restaurant. Enjoy the creamy custard and the crispy caramelized top. Bon appétit! There you have it, 5 awesome French bistro recipes. Now go to your kitchen and try these recipes. Don't be afraid to try new things. Cooking is about having fun and making food your own way. If you like this cooking adventure, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more yummy recipes and cooking tips. And leave a comment and tell me which recipe you want to try first. Until next time, happy cooking!